Bebe. There you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Come on, slide. Slide ka. Slide. Slide. Bebe.
I wish you.
Bebe. Alright. You wanna unbox this?
Yeah.
You wanna unbox this?
I see.
Yes?
What's up?
What's up? Let's unbox this, baby girl. It says model number 8701, 38 inches. Huh? Let's do it. Yes? No. You wanna play with my GoPro? Baby girl, we're gonna unbox. Let's go. Let's unbox this. Let's take off the shoe. Oh no. Oh no. What are you doing? Anna,
No.
help me. Unbox it. So this is how it looks like inside. Everything's on plastic. Tap, pop, pop, pop. You got the screws in here. Some plates, some I guess these are the straps, and the fairings right there. It's brand new. All right, let's open it up. All right, there's some instructions. And she wants my GoPro. Oh no. Oh no. Cry baby. Come on, cry baby. She wants my GoPro. Come on, baby. Alright, there's some instructions in here. So we're gonna skip that. I'm just gonna install it. It's pretty basic on how to put everything together. Oh my god, this girl is crying.
A few moments later.
Some instructions over here. Alright, so we're gonna read the instructions. Yeah, it's gonna go there. Oh! Yes, ma'am. Oh! No, no, no! Hi! No! Hold on. No. Alright. Your bit's done. You got it. You got it installed. So there's like some part that we need to connect. Takes about 30 minutes to do all of this. What a beauty. What a beauty, baby girl.
What is that for? The van?
Okay, so here we go. We're gonna install the Thule wing fairing now. It's almost dark time, so we gotta do this real fast. Hannah's here helping me out, trying to push all the buttons in the van. Baby. Alright, so I kinda like mess around it earlier. It's not really hard to install this air fairing. It's not really hard to steal it too. So it's just like this. Clip that in there, and then you gotta go to the other side. Ooh, thank you, baby girl. Alright. Okay. And there it is. That's how it looks like.
The next morning.
Alright. Hi, baby. Okay, yesterday we bought a zip tie to mount the air fairing more secure. It's a little bit thicker zip tie. It's right here. So we're gonna install it to the roof. Okay, so this is the thick zip tie that goes around the mounted bracket. I don't know, it's really hard to put this on without with using one hand. You have to, there you go. There it is. Oh wow. It's gonna hold it up. Good. Yum. You like it?
Didn't wanna make things harder. I'm already breaking. You never guess the things I thought of, but my scars are aching. I try to make you understand. This isn't how it's meant to be. I'm not the one that's holding on to something that's already gone. And I'm just trying to make things work. You always try to rock the boat. I always get us back on course, but baby, you're the undertow. I told you that I can't wait, 'cause I can even think straight. I feel just like I'm next to you, but baby, your world is
Exactly.
waiting.
How wide my bar is.
Trapped in my thoughts, losing consciousness. Can't wake up 'cause I'm obnoxiously missing you, and you're not too. And it always haunts me. It always haunts me. I try to make you understand. You were never part of the plan. I'm not the one that's holding on to something that's already gone. And I'm just trying to make things work. You always try to rock the boat. I always get us back on course, but baby, you're the undertow. I told you that I can't wait, 'cause I can't even think straight. I feel just like I'm next to you, but baby, you're away.
Okay, we're gonna go up there. Even I'm so much tired, you know. Oh, but it's okay. This is my first time to coming here. They are the one who's fighting our nation to be free from the bad people. You see?
Parang malaga dito dati.
Wala nga.
Looking for myself, I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you can lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me with the sun and light of me. It ain't over. It ain't over. It ain't over. It ain't over. I'm not done. I just want me to find it, 'cause I'm not done. I just want me to find it. I'm not done. I just want me to find it, 'cause I'm not done. I just want me to find it. So why are you moving on? Someone told me that I could find it. I will find my way. Gotta keep looking. If it's not fair, gotta go again. Guess to get over it, cause when I look aside, she's always by my side. She guides me with a sign and lie to me. It ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done.
Hi, it's me, Elena. I'm here in the Mount Soledad. All the veterans are buried here. Long time ago. Yes. It's good place. Living above it all.